Hi friends, welcome back to Techno Hack. This is Parikshit here, back again with the new video, and in the continuation of the Netcat. This is the fourth video of this series, and in today's video we will see how to do the banner grabbing using the Netcat. So first of all, let's see what is banner grabbing. So here banner grabbing is nothing but accessing or checking out the server version and what server and the services is being used and is running on the particular server. So we can get this information by using a command line tools like Netcat or even by using Telnet as well. Alright, so now we will see here how we will use a Netcat tool to get this kind of information, like what is the service is used by a particular server and what version of the server it is running. Okay, so let's do that, because in the perspective of penetration testing, a lot of hackers they use this tool for particularly for the banner grabbing, and because as they will know about the version of the services a web server is using or are running, and they can search for a exploit accordingly. Okay, so that they can later attack on that particular web server. Alright, so I will show you here we already have a Ubuntu server running, and I will just check the service for Apache status. So here you can see the Apache 2 server is running, and we know that the Apache server is usually runs on the port 80. So here suppose if we check in the Firefox and we look at the port number 80 on our target machine, so we know that the IP address of our target machine is 192.168.160.129. so I will simply copy it from here and I will just put it into this URL, and you can see I should just simply give it a :80 and it will go to that particular web server. So you can see Apache 2 Ubuntu default page. So this is from the Ubuntu. Okay, and I do not know the version of this Apache 2, so I will simply now use the terminal, Kali Linux terminal, and we will use the Netcat tool here to understand and to get the information about the web server and its version information. Alright, so let's see how we can do that. So as we know, the service Apache 2 means the port number 80 is running, the port number 80 is listening. Alright, so I will simply now try to connect to that particular port, which is NC-V for verbose and the IP or the target IP, and then the port number which we are connecting to. So let's see, and you can see the connection is succeeded, we are connected it. But now how we will get the banner or how we will get the information about the services and the version it is running? So we have to type here head, and let's type like http //1.0. sorry, before that you have to type 1/ here and 1.0, enter. So you can now see here that it is running the Apache 2.4.29 server, and the content length is also given over here, and the connection now you can see here. So along with that you can see other information in here, and also the date and the current time of the server which is running currently. Alright, so this way we can do that, but instead of simply typing a head and http /1.0, even sometime you can use get command as well. So like get http //1.0, or also you can use a 1.1, and now you can see here we still got the result. Okay, so I'll say Ctrl+C, but again what I understood is, let's say if you are now connected to this server and if you are simply pressing enter, so it will still give you this version information or the server information, okay, along with the status. And this way, because if the particular version or the particular server is vulnerable enough that you don't need to provide any parameters to understand or to get the particular service version, you can simply press enter and you can get that information. So this way we can use this Netcat command to get the banner or the service version information, or you can also use a telnet command for the same. Okay, so let's say like telnet and particular IP address of the target machine, and let's say 290, and I'm connecting to 80, so it is now connected. Okay, and here you can type get http again you have to type single slash and then space, and once again 1.0. let's say enter. So you can now see that here we have a bad request Apache 2.4. even if I do not type the particular things like that, if I say simply enter, I do not get anything. If I let's say something like that, and if I still type anything over here, and I still get the Apache version information. Okay, so this way we can get it. And there are again couple of tools like a curl or other command line tools they can use to get the service version information. Alright, so this is it. I just wanted to show you guys that how we can use the Netcat and or the Telnet command to use the or to get the banner about the service version information of the server. Okay, so that's all for it. In the next video we will see how we will do the relaying in the Netcat by using a Netcat. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you will not miss the next videos that are going to come. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye bye.